Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Wow, what can you see here, children? There are so many toys kept here. Are we going to play with these toys? No, we are going to study something. Tell me, children, what are these? There is an aeroplane, a helicopter, there is a bus, there is a bullet train, ship, a car, and many things. So, ये सब क्यों रखे हुए हैं? Can you tell me, children? ये हमारी कैसे हेल्प करते हैं? प्लेन से हम क्या करते हैं? प्लेन से we travel from one place to another. अगर आप वेकेशंस में जाते हो ना अपने नाना नानी दादा दादी के घर, तो आप कैसे जाते हो? जो दूर रहते हैं, बस में जाते हो? नो, या तो हम प्लेन में जाते हैं या ट्रेन में, है ना? सो प्लेन हमें हेल्प करता है ना? यस, तो plane and train and many other vehicles help us to go from one place to another. हमें एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस जाने के लिए ये सारे vehicles हमारी हेल्प करते हैं और इन्हें कहते हैं ट्रांसपोर्ट व्हीकल्स. ट्रांसपोर्ट का मतलब होता है moving from one place to another. So ट्रांसपोर्ट हम कैसे जाते हैं? There are three types of transport. One is land transport. Repeat after ma'am. Land transport, water transport, and air transport. How many transport? Three types. Land, water, and air. So let's see, children, those vehicles जो लैंड पर चलते हैं, जो रोड पर चलते हैं. यू ऑल नो देम. लेट्स सी व्हाट आर द लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट व्हीकल्स. और इन सबको क्या कहते हैं? व्हीकल्स. फर्स्ट इज अ स्कूटर. दिस इज अ स्कूटर एंड अ कार. स्कूटर में कितने व्हील्स होते हैं, चिल्ड्रन? यस, देयर आर 2 wheels. And car में there are 4 wheels. This is a van, a taxi, or this is a, what is this, children? Tell me. Yes, it's a fire brigade. जब कहीं आग लग जाती है तो this fire brigade comes और आग को बुझा देती है. Then we have cycle. आपके पास भी साइकिल होगा ना? You do cycling? Yes, you should do. It keeps you healthy. Then we have another bike. Then we have gypsy, jeep and bus also. So ये सब vehicles कहाँ चलते हैं? लैंड पर. ये सब हवा में चलते हैं या वाटर में चलते हैं? नो, ये सब लैंड पर, दैट इज रोड पर चलते हैं. So these are called land transport vehicles. Now let's go to water transport. जो vehicles water में sail करते हैं. Can you see? There is a cruise, there is a ship, yacht. So these are water transport vehicles. Can we travel in water on a car or a cycle? No. हम कार या साइकिल लेकर वाटर में ट्रैवल कर सकते हैं? No. For that we need a ship or a boat or a cruise. So these are called water transport vehicles. जो वाटर में ट्रांसपोर्ट करते हैं, वाटर में चलते हैं. Now this is the third one. Third one is air transport. Air is जो ऊपर स्काई में ट्रैवल करते हैं. What are they, children? Your favorite aeroplane. You have helicopter. You have rocket also. Then you have parachute, hot air balloon, fighter jet, and जो प्लेन में होते हैं, and tell me children, who is the person जो प्लेन को फ्लाई करते हैं? Yes, he is called a pilot. So these are air transport vehicles. Tell me children, how many transports are there? Types of transport? Land transport, water transport, and air transport. Now you tell me children, this is a fire brigade. Fire brigade कहाँ चलता है? Is it a air transport, water transport, or a land transport? Yes, it is a land transport. And what is an helicopter? Helicopter is an air transport. Similarly, plane. And a ship travels on a, tell me, water. So it is water transport. Understood, children? So what do transport vehicles do? Transport vehicles help us to go from one place to another. आप हर जगह चल के तो नहीं जा सकते हो ना? You need some transport vehicle. So ये सब vehicles help us to travel from one place to another. Understood, children? Very good. And tell me children, who sails a ship? Yes, a sailor. और जो कार चलाते हैं या बस चलाते हैं, they are called driver. And जो fire brigade चलाते हैं, fireman. And plane, who flies a plane? A pilot. So understood? Land transport, water transport, and air transport. So children, I hope you have understood about the 3 types of transport. So we will do worksheet in EVS activity book B. We will open page number 45. So here you will write today's date first. What is the date today? Yesterday was 7. What comes after 7? 8. So today's date is 8.12.2020. And what is the day? Tuesday. 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 So let's do the worksheet. So what is this? This is a fire brigade, ship, a bus and a spaceship. So who drives a fire brigade and who helps us to clear out the fire and rescue people? Can you see here? This building mein fire lagi hai. And who is helping out? Fireman. So we will match fireman with the fire brigade. This is a ship. Who sails a ship? A sailor. So we will match it. This is an astronaut who studies about the space. So we will match it with the spaceship. This is a driver who drives the bus. So we will match it. Now we will go to the next page, page number 46. So here also we will write today's date 8.12.20. Tuesday. Now this is very simple children. This is a car. कार में कितने wheels होते हैं, कितने टायर्स होते हैं? 1, 2 and पीछे again 2 tires. So we have 4 tires in a car. साइकिल में 1, 2. If it's a bicycle, tricycle में 3 टायर 3 wheels होते हैं. This is an auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw में 1, 2 and 3 wheels. This is a tractor. Tractor में there are 2 big wheels and 2 small. So there are in total 4. This is again a jeep. This is also having 4 wheels. And this is a scooter. Scooter is having 2 wheels or 2 tires. Understood, children, about transport? Land transport, water transport and air transport. Okay, children? Stay home, stay safe.